Bowie home prices are changing, and most buyers don't see it yet. If you're buying or selling in Bowie, this data matters. The Bowie housing market just hit a turning point. This one stat could save you thousands in Bowie, Maryland. The Bowie, Maryland housing market is no longer overheating, but it's definitely not cooling off either. As we move into February 2026, Bowie has entered what experts are calling a balanced market, and that changes everything for buyers, sellers, and investors. As of late January 2026, supply and demand in Bowie are finally meeting in the middle. Homes are still selling, competition is still there, but price growth has slowed, and homes are taking longer to move compared to the frenzy of the past few years. This shift is creating opportunity, if you know how to read the numbers. Let's talk numbers, because numbers don't lie. The median sale price in Bowie is sitting between $485,000 and $489,667. Some market trackers show prices down about 9% year over year, while others show prices stabilizing after last year's correction. Meanwhile, the median list price remains higher, between $529,000 and $569,000, which tells us sellers are still testing the ceiling. Homes are now taking 38 to 53 days to sell, up from roughly 33 days in late 2024. That extra time on market gives buyers leverage we haven't seen in years, and here's the surprise. Despite longer selling times, most homes are still selling at around 100% of list price, with over 1/3 of homes selling above asking due to localized competition. Now, here's where Bowie gets interesting, because not all zip codes are behaving the same. 2715 remains one of the most competitive pockets, with median sale prices around $490,000. Homes here still move fast. 2716 continues to show strong demand, with median prices near $474,000, and rents pushing close to $3,000 per month. In 2720 the market shifts. This area is leaning more buyer-friendly, with listing prices averaging $627,499 and inventory up more than 32% year over year. And 2721 sits firmly in the higher-end category, with average home values around $580,099, attracting move-up buyers and executives commuting to DC. Let's talk rentals, because Bowie's rental market is still hot. Average rent across the city is about $2,750 per month, up nearly 3% from last year. But in 2016, rental demand is surging, with year-over-year rent growth over 20%. That makes Bowie especially attractive for investors looking for strong cash flow in a stabilizing sales market. The extreme heat of 2024 is behind us, but Bowie is far from cooling off. With over 216 active listings at the end of 2025, inventory is healthier than it's been in years, giving buyers more choices and more negotiating power. Bowie's location, between Washington, D.C. and Annapolis, continues to anchor demand, especially for commuters and military-connected buyers. For buyers, this is a market where patience pays. For sellers, pricing correctly is no longer optional. And for investors, stable prices plus rising rents create a powerful setup for 2026. The Bowie housing market isn't crashing, and it's not exploding, it's maturing. And the people who win in mature markets are the ones who understand the data before everyone else does. If you want hyper-local updates, buying strategies, or selling insights for Maryland real estate, make sure you're subscribed.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.